Welcome to the future of cooking. With advancements in technology, our kitchens are evolving into smarter, more efficient spaces. Gone are the days of relying solely on culinary expertise and guesswork. Enter the era of artificial intelligence, AI, in kitchens, where precision meets convenience, and cooking becomes an experience like never before. Introduction in recent years, AI has permeated various aspects of our lives, revolutionizing industries and transforming daily tasks. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, its applications are vast and ever-expanding. In the realm of culinary arts, AI is making its mark, promising to revolutionize the way we cook, eat, and interact with our kitchen appliances. 1. Advantages of AI in kitchens. Efficiency. AI streamlines processes and eliminates guesswork, optimizing every action for efficiency. Precision. With sensors and algorithms, AI ensures flawless execution of recipes, delivering consistent results with pinpoint accuracy. Time-saving. AI automates tasks and offers intuitive controls, enabling quicker meal preparation and freeing up time for other activities. 2. AI-powered kitchen appliances. Smart ovens. Equipped with AI technology, smart ovens analyze food types, recommend optimal settings, and adjust temperatures for perfect results. 6. Intelligent refrigerators. AI algorithms monitor inventory, track expiration dates, and suggest recipes, reducing food wastage and promoting smarter shopping habits. Automated cooking devices. AI-powered appliances come with pre-programmed recipes, adaptive algorithms, and remote control capabilities, making cooking easier and more convenient. 3. Personalized cooking experience. Recipe recommendations. AI analyzes user preferences and dietary restrictions to recommend personalized recipes tailored to individual tastes. Adaptive cooking programs. Some AI appliances learn from user habits, adjusting settings and techniques to suit individual preferences. Nutritional guidance. AI-powered apps provide nutritional information and meal planning assistance, helping users make healthier choices. Conclusion. AI is transforming kitchens into smarter, more efficient spaces, revolutionizing the way we cook and interact with appliances. With its potential to enhance precision, efficiency, and personalization, the future of cooking looks brighter than ever before. As AI technology continues to evolve, expect even more exciting developments in kitchen innovation. Subscribe now to Financial No Worries to stay up to date for more AI topics.